having problems with your feet can in turn cause problems with your legs, hips, and even your back. To make matters worse, problems with your back can lead to problems with the rest of your body, so taking care of your feet is essential to your health. The challenge is that daily activities such as walking can do a lot of damage if you are not wearing the right kind of shoes. Thankfully, with 3D printing, it is becoming easier to find the right kind of shoes at an affordable price. 3D printed shoe technology allows multiple companies to design and manufacture customized shoes and insoles to fit multiple needs. A manufacturing company, Footwear, is using 3D printed shoes to help with this problem. They use 3D printing to create ergonomic and fashionable shoes that are made for each individual customer. The company works by taking 3D scanned data of each consumer's foot and making insoles that provide optimal support and a natural gait while working. Like 3shoes.com, Footprint understands comfort and design are important. Using Simpleware 3D software, they are able to quickly generate lattice structures used in midsoles and insoles. The shoes are then 3D printed with selective laser sintering in a TPU powder. The 3D printed TPU is then coated with a polyurethane finish for waterproofing and durability. The shoes allow the wearer's every step to be dispersed more slowly and evenly. This adds both stability and reduces the impact on the consumer's body over time. Each pair is made to order and can be optimized from podiatrists and other foot care professionals. Using 3D printing to manufacture the soles also helps reduce waste and environmental impact. Footprint 3D is all about recycling, even in its testing process. The designers will sometimes remove the soles from an already manufactured pair to attach to the upper of a new pair to test the new sole designs. The company saves time and money and hopes to help consumers do the same.